In this video, we take a deep dive into Photoshop's user-friendly interface. Adobe Photoshop's interface is full of various tools and panels that make your design and photo editing easier. Let's start with the first of these. There is a menu bar at the top of the interface. In Photoshop, the menu bar is the main toolbar that provides access to the program's various functions and settings. It allows you to easily access basic and advanced functions such as opening files, saving, editing images, and applying filters. For example, if you want to add some blur to your photo, you can create such an image by selecting Filter, Blur, and Blur Type from the menu bar, making your adjustments. The Options bar is located just below the menu bar. In Photoshop, the Options bar is a bar that presents the features and settings of the currently selected tool to the user. This bar shows the options and functions specific to each tool in Photoshop when using them, so users can use the tools in a more efficient and customized way. For example, when you select the brush tool, it allows you to adjust the size, hardness, and opacity of the brush on the Options bar. This feature makes using Photoshop more flexible and controllable. In Photoshop, the status bar is an information bar at the bottom of the Photoshop window that displays information about the current document. This bar is used to instantly see important details such as the size of the image, zoom level, and resolution of the document. For example, you can see here that the percentage value of the value changes when I zoom in on the page. It also provides feedback on the status or progress of the transaction during certain operations. In the area you see on the left, there is Photoshop's toolbar. This bar contains tools that perform different functions such as image editing, painting, cutting, drawing shapes. Under each tool, there are submenus that provide more options specific to that tool. In the future, we will shape our works in Photoshop using the tools available here. In this video, we talked about the basics of Photoshop's interface. We learned the areas we can use in Photoshop. Follow the series for more detailed information about Photoshop.